guys, I'm C2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a video of single pin picking a Master number 140 padlock. Got this from work. I've picked a few of these before, but with getting it from work there's no working key with it. Start at the back, work to the front, gentle tension, so to the back, tension on slightly, picked. Let's do that one more time. Locked up. There you go. Picked again. So that's the Master padlock, 40mm single pin picked. So if you are newbies to Locksport guys, why not come visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and again, please keep it legal.